सुधीर बड़ा मिलनसार है. सुधीर is very sociable. सुधीर is very sociable. मुझे घर पर बहुत जरूरी काम है. I have an urgent piece of work at home. I have an urgent piece of work at home. उसकी सारी आशाएं मिट्टी में मिल गईं. All his hopes ended in smoke. All his hopes ended in smoke. मैं जीऊं या मरूं तुम्हारी बला से. You care little whether I live or not. You care little whether I live or not. उसके दिमाग में कुछ खराबी है. There is some screw loose in his brain. There is some screw loose in his brain. इस होटल में वैष्णव खाना मिलता है. Vegetarian meal is supplied in this hotel. Vegetarian meal is supplied in this hotel. दूध फट गया है. The milk has turned sour. The milk has turned sour. मैंने उसे कुर्सी पर बैठने का इशारा किया. I motioned him to a chair. I motioned him to a chair. तुमने मुझे 1 रुपया कम दिया है. You have given me 1 rupee short. You have given me 1 rupee short. यह मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. It is beyond my control. It is beyond my control. यह बच्चा बड़ा प्यारा लगता है. This child looks very lovely. और this child looks very cute. आजकल मेरी जेब खाली है. या फिर आजकल मेरी जेब कड़की है. I am out of pocket these days. I am out of pocket these days. उसकी जान में जान आई. He heaved a sigh of relief. He heaved a sigh of relief. उसकी आंखों में आंसू भर आए. Tears welled up in his eyes. Tears welled up in his eyes. तुम्हारे पाँव में चक्कर है. You are a rolling stone. You are a rolling stone. वे गाली गलोच से हाथापाई पर आ गए. From hot words they came to blows. From hot words they came to blows. यह मन घड़ंत कहानी है. It is a cock and bull story. It is a cock and bull story. बच्चों का टिकट आधा लगता है. Children travel half fare. Children travel half fare. हॉल खचाखच भरा हुआ था. The hall was packed to capacity. The hall was packed to capacity. अब हमारा लेखा बराबर हो गया है. Now we are quits. Now we are quits. वह डॉक्टर बना फिरता है. He passes for a doctor. He passes for a doctor. मेरी उससे बोलचाल नहीं है. I'm not on speaking terms with him. I'm not on speaking terms with him. यह विचार तो मुझे सूझा ही नहीं. This idea did not strike me. This idea did not strike me. उसने बहाना बनाकर मुझे टाल दिया. She put me off with a lame excuse. She put me off with a lame excuse. हमने दिल खोल कर बातें की. हमने दिल खोल कर बातें की. We had a heart-to-heart talk. We had a heart-to-heart talk. यह पुस्तक हाथों हाथ बिक रही है. This book is selling like hot cakes. This book is selling like hot cakes. मुझे उसकी शक्ल तक नहीं भाती. I do not like the look of him. I do not like the look of him. इस बात की नगर में चर्चा है. This is the talk of the town. This is the talk of the town. इसके सिवाय कोई चारा न था. There was no help for it. There was no help for it. उसने लज्जा बेच खाई है. He is shame proof. He is shame proof. He is shame proof. हमने शिमला में बहुत अच्छा समय व्यतीत किया. We had a jolly good time at Shimla. We had a jolly good time at Shimla. We had a jolly good time at Shimla. बच्चे छोटी छोटी बातों पर बिगड़ पड़ते हैं. बच्चे छोटी छोटी बातों पर बिगड़ पड़ते हैं. Children fall out over trifles. Children fall out over trifles. नमस्ते, अब मैं जाती हूँ. Goodbye, I am now off. Goodbye, I am now off. सारी कक्षा उससे मजाक करती है. He is the butt of the class. He is the butt of the class. वह प्रायः मूर्खता कर बैठता है. He often plays the fool. He often plays the fool. वह तुम्हारी क्या लगती है? What is she to you? What is she to you? What is she to you? वह तो हाँ में हाँ मिलाना जानता है. He is only a yes man. He is only a yes man. प्रतिदिन हालात खराब हो रहे हैं. प्रतिदिन हालात खराब हो रहे हैं. Things are going wrong day by day. Or we can say things are getting rotten day by day. जरा देखो तो क्या समय हुआ है. Just see what time it is. Just see what time it is. मेरा सिर चक्कर खा रहा है. I am feeling giddy. I am feeling giddy. तुम कामचोर हो. You are a shocker. You are a shocker. धैर्य रखो. इतने निराश क्यों हो गए? Buck up. Why feel so downcast? Buck up. Why feel so downcast? मैंने शाम का समय किसी को दे रखा है. मैंने शाम का समय किसी को दे रखा है. My evening is booked. My evening is booked. वह हमेशा मेरे मार्ग में टांग अड़ाता है. He always stands in my way. He always stands in my way. He always stands in my way. लिखने में गलती हो गई है. This is only a slip of the pen. This is only a slip of the pen. This is only a slip of the pen. मैं उसे शक्ल से जानती हूँ, नाम से नहीं. I know him by face and not by name. I know him by face, not by name. आज विशेष सब्जी क्या है? What is the side dish today? What is the side dish today? वह अपनी बात का पक्का है. He is true to his word. He is true to his word. यह कपड़ा पर्दों के लिए ठीक है. This cloth will do well for curtains. This cloth will do well for curtains. ये तुम्हारा काम नहीं है. It is none of your business. Or it is none of your concern. मैं नखरे नहीं करती हूँ. I do not give myself airs. I do not give myself airs. यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है. यह मकान किराए के लिए खाली है. This house is to let. This house is to let. उसकी सुंदरता का क्या कहना? Her beauty beggars description. Her beauty beggars description. बच्चा दांत निकाल रहा है. The child is cutting teeth. The child is cutting teeth. The child is cutting teeth. मैं उसकी चालाकी ताड़ गई. मैं उसकी चालाकी ताड़ गई. I saw through his trick. I saw through his trick. I saw through his trick. मैं इस अपमान को सहन नहीं कर सकती. I cannot put up with this insult. I cannot put up with this insult. आजकल सब लोग स्वार्थी हैं. Selfishness is the order of the day. Selfishness is the order of the day. वहां क्या हो रहा है? What is up there? What is up there? What is up there? वह खुशी से फूला न समाया. He was beside himself with joy. He was beside himself with joy. मेरे उपदेश का उस पर कोई प्रभाव न पड़ा. My advice fell flat on him. My advice fell flat on him. वह सुनी सुनाई बात है. It is only a hearsay. It is only a hearsay. मेरी साइकिल रास्ते में बिगड़ गई. My bicycle got out of order on the way. My bicycle got out of order on the way. जीवन फूलों की सेज नहीं है. Life is not a bed of roses. And it's true. Life is not a bed of roses. रेडियो चल रहा है. The radio is on. The radio is on. फव्वारे चल रहे हैं. The fountains are playing. The fountains are playing. आओ हवा खाने चलें. Let us go out for an airing. Let us go out for an airing. मैं जल्दी से गलत गाड़ी में बैठ गई. मैं जल्दी से गलत गाड़ी में बैठ गई. I boarded a wrong train in haste. I boarded a wrong train in haste. ऐसे बहाने यहाँ नहीं चलेंगे. Such excuses will not do here. Such excuses will not do here. Such excuses will not do here. वहां जाने का कोई लाभ नहीं है. वहां जाने का कोई लाभ नहीं है. It is not worthwhile going there. It is not worthwhile going there. वह जलवायु परिवर्तन के लिए शिमला गया है. He has gone to Shimla for a change. He has gone to Shimla for a change. तुम्हारी बातों से वह चिढ़ गया. Your remarks cut him to the quick. Your remarks cut him to the quick. वह नौकरी के लिए मारा मारा फिरता रहा. He knocked about for a job. He knocked about for a job. मैंने अपने जीवन का बीमा करा लिया है. I have got my life insured. I have got my life insured. लड़कियां झूला झूल रही हैं. The girls are enjoying a swing. The girls are enjoying a swing. वह कक्षा में ऊँघ रहा था. He was dozing in the class. He was dozing in the class. उसने कुल की नाक कटवा दी है. He has brought a disgrace to the family. Or he has brought a shame to the family. He has brought a disgrace to the family. तुमने सारा खेल बिगाड़ दिया. You spoiled the whole game. You spoiled the whole game. चिल्लाते चिल्लाते उसका गला बैठ गया. चिल्लाते चिल्लाते उसका गला बैठ गया. He cried himself hoarse. He cried himself hoarse. उसने मेरी चेतावनी की परवाह न की. उसने मेरी चेतावनी की परवाह न की. He made light of my warning. He made light of my warning. वह सूख कर कांटा हो गई है. She is reduced to a skeleton. She is reduced to a skeleton. वह अपनी आयु के विचार से लंबा है. He is tall for his age. 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 मैं सदा ही आपकी सेवा में उपस्थित हूँ. मैं सदा ही आपकी सेवा में उपस्थित हूँ. मैं सदा ही आपकी सेवा में उपस्थित हूँ. I am always at your disposal. I am always at your disposal. हेमा का सारिका से क्या मुकाबला? हेमा is no match for Sarika. हेमा is no match for Sarika. हेमा is no match for Sarika. तुम हम सबको बहुत याद आते हो. We all miss you very much. We all miss you very much. उसने मुझे कोरा जवाब दिया. He gave me a flat refusal. He gave me a flat refusal. मैं दुविधा में हूँ कि क्या करूँ. I am in a fix what to do. I am in a fix what to do. यह कहना आसान है और करना मुश्किल. यह कहना आसान है और करना मुश्किल. It is easier said than done. 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 आपका यहाँ आना कैसे हुआ? What brings you here? What brings you here? यह घड़ी 500 रुपए में महंगी नहीं है. This watch is well worth 500 rupees. This watch is well worth 500 rupees. उसने हर अवस्था में मेरा साथ दिया. He stood by me through thick and thin. He stood by me through thick and thin. उसने मेरी नाक में दम कर रखा है. He has got on my nerves. He has got on my nerves. आप तो व्यर्थ ही मुझसे नाराज हो रहे हैं. आप तो व्यर्थ ही मुझसे नाराज हो रहे हैं. You are getting cross with me for nothing. 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 मैंने गलती से रस्सी को सांप समझा. I took the rope for a snake. I took the rope for a snake. I took the rope for a snake. ये तुम्हारे भले की बात है. It is in your own interest. It is in your own interest. It is in your own interest. उचित समय पर प्रयास करो. Strike the iron while it is hot. Strike the iron while it is hot. मैं इस बकबक को सहन नहीं कर सकती. I cannot stand this nonsense. I cannot stand this nonsense. वह हर बात में मनमानी करता है. He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. मुझे इस बात के बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है. I am in the dark about this matter. I am in the dark about this matter. आपने मेरे मन की बात कही. आपने मेरे मन की बात कही है. You have spoken out my mind. You have spoken out my mind. हॉल में पूर्ण शांति थी. There was a pin drop silence in the hall. There was a pin drop silence in the hall.